Hey guys, this audio podcast is from Elon. The topic is bring back the sense of touch, how smart prosthetic limbs are changing lives.
Imagine being able to feel a handshake, the warmth of a coffee cup, or the texture of a book's page. For people who have to use prosthetic limbs, it was always the case in the past, and nothing is permanent with the advancement of technology. The emerging advanced prosthetic limbs are not just a normal mechanical device. They can simulate the sensation. I choose this topic because it shows what technology should be about, finding new solutions for the problems that people always have. This new emerging technology isn't just about functionality. It also brings independence, emotional relief, and social connections back to the person who's suffering from losing limbs. Also, as a person who has interest in engineering and health innovation, I feel inspired to see how the advancement of technology can bring more and more to the table. More prosthetic limbs detect signals coming from either the remaining muscles or nerves and draw those signals to itself. And they process two-way communication. The user's nervous system will receive information back from them. Those specific sensors and nanowares are implemented into the body and capable of sending electric signals to the brain to function like a real limb. A related newly developed technology called AMI was developed in 2024, and it allowed amputees to walk naturally and even change their posture based on the feedback from the ground surface. Technology that makes sensation possible. Feeling is reconstructed using combination of pressure sensor, vibration detector, and nerve stimulation device. A person who uses prosthetic limbs to touch objects activates the pressure sensor to measure the grip strength, surface texture, and even temperature. Then they are transformed into electrical signals to the nerve system. In 2025, researchers built a prosthetic hand with heat sensor interface, so it can allow the user to feel the temperature difference. A breakthrough that can bring artificial limbs even closer to real limbs. Unlike the previous limb designs that could only move in such a way and lacked sensory abilities, this emerging technology makes it possible for the user to hold delicate materials such as eggs, plastic cups without damaging them. For example, the users of a prosthetic limb that was neurosensory could manage tasks for a long period of time, with mostly no errors compared to the users of the traditional model. Besides, several individuals even commented on the newly developed artificial limb, suggesting it is supposed to be part of their own body, thereby it should give their emotional support and confidence. Challenges and limitations. No matter the technological advancements that are currently made, the reality is those devices are still far from perfect. Several models require surgery as part of the process, which bring some major risks to the user. Each user will go through the process of collaboration where the device can synchronize to the person's body. This addresses some serious additional cost. Many life-saving prosthetic limbs are over 600,000, And due to this, a lot of people have their hopes cut short. In a review done in 2024, researchers suggested that realistic touch is difficult to fully achieve still, because of the complex way that our nerves works. Processing many different signals at once, such as vibration, heat, and pressure, is also difficult. Therefore, challenges in building a fully sensational artificial limb will still remain for the future technological breakthroughs. The future and why it matters. Smart prosthetic limbs in the near future can likely to go with wireless connection as a first step. AI-directed movement control and interface updates that are based on online controls. The Cleveland Clinic has designed an artificial limb that will instantly respond to scenes that fall, thus achieving similar effect as a reflex in a way. On the other hand, the scientists estimate that artificial limbs will still aim for complete temperature detection, vibration feedback, and even pain simulation for safety reasons in the future. And the researchers suggested those limbs may surpass unnatural ones in a far future. Hence, to not only restore the lost function, but also enhance human capacity.